So we got some big news from Sundial Growers, and Sundial Growers has acquired Alcanna Incorporation for $346 million in an all-stock transaction, which is kind of shocking because basically no. So now Sundial is essentially vertically integrated, the biggest vertically integrated company in Canada. They have their own growing facilities, and now they have the biggest retail selection in Canada. If you combine, because uh Alcanna also owns Nova, enhanced exposure with investment in Nova, a publicly listed pure play retail operator. Sundial currently retail network combined with Nova store count implies a combined company will be Canadian MJ retail market leader with more than 170 locations. This network strengthens Sundial's position as a partner to the industry and represents a critical road to market for Canadian licensed producers. This is huge. They have 170 stores, and now they own a bunch of Alcanna liquor stores. Alcanna, outstanding liquor business, provides Sundial with stable cash generation through mature and proven business model with trailing 12 months free cash flow of 16.4 million on a built out retail platform. And so this is a huge deal. I think it's really big. Right now the market is pumping the stock. I wish I actually ran across this during the day. But I ran across it like last night, and I ran across it after the market closed, so I couldn't buy any more stock. But if I saw this deal uh at the start of the trading day, around the trading day, I would have bought some stock. I mean, it's not too late. I could buy some more. I'm a bank holder currently. I did not sell my position. I should have sold my position, and I should have bought back in at 64, 65 cents. But hey, you can't get it perfect all the time. So tomorrow I potentially could buy some. I don't know yet. We'll see what happens throughout the trading day. But you know, Sundial is going. Their revenue is going to grow massively in 20. They're going to have the biggest revenue generator out of all the MJ players in Canada in 2022. They have 170 retail locations for MJ retail. They're not all owned by Sundials, but they are all under the network of Sundial. And they own a bunch of liquor stores now. Uh, so this is very good news for Sundial growers, and I think the market's a little excited right now because the stock is up 11.37%. We'll see if that will continue or if this is just a small bump, and then near the beginning of the day, near the middle of the trading day, I'll pull back. Who really knows at the end of the day what the market will do? But you know, I think long term Sundial will be a big winner. Could be a really big winner because they own a lot of retail locations. So yeah. Alcanna, as we can see, they generate between 100 million to 188 million. The December 31st quarter, they generated 91 million, and the recent one on June 30th, they generated almost 190 million dollars of revenue with 40 million dollars of gross profit. They are losing money on a net income basis, but they were making money. They make $47 million of revenue 1 quarter. That kind of makes no sense. 32 million sales. Operational expenses was 36. Income before taxes 9 million. So they got $9 million back from income taxes, or they I don't know, but somehow the numbers added up to 47.5 million dollars of revenue, of net income. I gotta see the SEDAR filings to really figure that out, but it's kind of weird. But it doesn't matter, you know. Sundial, their revenue is going to dramatically grow in the next, you know, in 2022, especially if this Alcanna acquisition goes through, and then they already own in the spirits, so they're gonna have a lot of retail. They're gonna be very vertically integrated. They're gonna be the biggest player in Canada and in revenue, and all you have to do is fine tune everything and push out profitability, and they could be, you know, in 2023 they could be a giant company. The only problem is they have a lot of outstanding shares. They have 2 billion shares right now. That is a lot of outstanding shares, but see what happens. I mean, it is what it is, but they don't have any debt. They have a lot of outstanding shares. We'll see where the market pushes the stock. But hey, you know what also has a lot of outstanding shares? Palantir, you know? But retail investors still love this company. It has 2 billion outstanding shares, and then, you know, and they're valued at $23.73. You know, Apple has a lot of outstanding shares. Facebook has a lot of outstanding shares too. You know, Facebook has 2.282 billion outstanding shares, but again, you can't compare Sundial to Facebook. You know, Facebook is a giant social media company. But yeah, there's a lot of companies out there with a lot of outstanding shares, and so, you know, but you know, we'll see what happens with the market. Whether the market will push it. Could it be the next Afria? Could it be better than Afria? Could it be the next Canopy? I don't know at the end of the day, but if they execute, the market could reward it. We'll see what happens. Anyways, that's all for the video. I don't really have too much to say. Wow, almost made it an 8-minute video. We can look at the pre-market. Pre-market is a little red. I mean, not really like greenish, but a little reddish. So anyways, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to. If you don't want to, that's okay. And I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.